Hello and welcome to Knowledgeist. In a very quick session, we will be discussing about the recent vacancies rolled out by Bank of Maharashtra for freshers and for the experienced candidates as well. So the vacancies that we are highlighting today are the vacancies in agriculture officer, agricultural field officer and the law officers, and apart from these two, there are other vacancies in HR and IT sectors too. सो आज के सेशन में हम बात करेंगे बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र के नए रिक्रूटमेंट नोटिफिकेशन एएफओ के बारे में और लॉ ऑफिसर्स के बारे में, और इसके अलावा जो आईटी और एचआर में भी वैकेंसीज हैं, सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर के वैकेंसीज हैं, उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। अगर आपने अब तक नॉलेजिस्ट को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब, बिकॉज आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इन द लास्ट एडिशन ऑफ Bank of Maharashtra Generalist Officer recruitment, which is concluded recently, out of 116 qualified students, more than 39 students are from Knowledgeist. That means 30% of selected candidates are from Knowledgeist. So I urge all of you to subscribe to Knowledgeist. And without wasting a further minute, we will start looking into the screen. Here it is on your screens, the Bank of Maharashtra Scale 1 and Scale 2 recruitment, and the detailed vacancy numbers are on your screens right now. That is, in AFO, Agricultural Field Officer, vacancy numbers are 100, Security, Law, HR 10 each, 30 in IT support, and the total number of vacancies stands at 190, right? तो आगे चलकर थोड़ा सा हमारे शेड्यूल्स हल्का होने के बाद we will have classes for AFO and for law officers, because in these two fields we have some course materials and we have some expertise. Okay, so in agricultural field officer, apart from normal banking questions and agricultural related questions, you will be getting questions from KCC, from the government sponsored loan schemes, credit management questions, and in law officer you must expect questions from various questions from, especially from the laws, banking laws related to banking, Companies Act, Banking Regulation Act, laws that governs banking sector in India, and apart from this, SARFAESI Act, Insolvency Bankruptcy Code 2016 and amendments so far. And apart from that, you will also get questions related to DRT, DRAT, NCLT, NCALT, and also the legal developments that has happened recently in banking field, right? So we will go into that. So the eligibility criteria for agricultural field officer stands for 100 post is 4 years graduation degree, where 60% mark is for general candidates and 55% for reserved category. Here you should possess any degree that is related to agriculture, like horticulture, animal husbandry, veterinary science, dairy science, fishery science, agroforestry, cooperation and banking, forestry, agricultural business and food processing, food science, agricultural business management, agriculture business management, food technology, dairy technology, agriculture engineering, sericulture, etc. The age is 20 to 30 years. Job profile, I think all of you must be aware of, but let me tell you, you have to disburse loans of agri related loans, KCC, SHG, bank linkage program, etc., government sponsored loans, post sanction and pre sanction and post sanction documentation, etc., stock visit, is there any unit exist or not, doing campaigns for this for awareness campaigns for people to take loans. You have to deal with all of that. And then also you have to do some NPA management work. NPA management work means recovery of these loans where it is gone wrong. Okay, तो ये था हमारे पोस्ट ऑफ एग्री. फॉर लॉ ऑफिसर, फॉर लीगल ऑफिसर, you should be an advocate, okay, bachelor's degree in law, and you should be a Bar Council of India certified advocate. Okay, I think many of you know the difference between a lawyer and advocate. Lawyer is when you possess all the degrees, all the law degrees, and advocate when you are enrolled in a Bar Council of India and certified to fight any case inside the court. So you become an advocate. So if you are eligible to do the practice as an advocate, then you are eligible for the post. But apart from this, you should have knowledge on banking law, company law, labor law, constitutional law, experience in drafting pleadings and documents, proficiency in computer application, and apart from that, all the banking laws, Companies Act, Consumer Protection Act, etc. are to be taken into consideration while preparing for the syllabus. 5 years of experience, age limit 25 to 35 years. All other posts, I think you will look into it from the official website. I will not go into the details due to time constraint. In IT, there are good number of vacancies. We'll have interview classes for all of them. And the catch is, in this exam, I must tell all of you that only people, those who have proficiency in their field, in the professional knowledge of their subject, they will make it to the list, because if you find this time there is no QRE section, that is quant, reasoning and English section. Here only people with good knowledge, because 50 questions of 100 mark will be asked in professional knowledge segment. You should have a very good CIBIL score in order to get qualified, because if fractured CIBIL will not work here. आपका CIBIL score भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. और ज्वाइनिंग कैरियर पाथ बहुत ही अच्छा है. बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र adopts a very aggressive policy in terms of promotion, so it's okay. You can have a very good career path. Emoluments for the salaries that are going to be in scale 1 is somewhere around 55, scale 2 70 plus. If you do JIB and CIIB, 2 additional increments, 24 months probation for scale 1, 12 months for scale 2, and 2 lakhs of bond for 3 years for scale 1 and 2 years for scale 2. Okay, and the most important part is the exam pattern, how you can make it professional knowledge. Wherever I can make you support, I will conduct classes and we will discuss on that later. So professional knowledge, 50 questions, 100 marks each. Okay, and there will be no negative marking, but that doesn't mean that you will go ahead with a you can go ahead with any mark, because they will have a benchmark cutoff. 40% or 45% will be a benchmark cutoff. Anybody securing below will not be able to the final list. So you have to be very cautious while you are doing while you are appearing these papers. Okay, so that's all in this edition. Up to 19th you have the exam papers. Go ahead with it. Up to 19th you can fill the application form. So go ahead with it. We'll come up with more updates very soon. So thank you for being with Knowledge East. Thank you for being with us. If you have not subscribed to your channel, kindly subscribe us now. Thank you. Thank you everyone.